In this brief tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a web reference to your RefWorks account manually. So I'm going to try to add this reference from the World Health Organization to my RefWorks account. The first thing I'm going to do is copy the URL. And then in RefWorks, I'm going to go to Add and then Create Reference Manually. I'm going to switch the reference type to Web Page. And then I'm going to paste the URL. From there, I would add the title of the web page, and then the author, which in this case is a group author. Then I'm going to add the date. The 7th edition of APA style does not require a retrieval date for all web references. You can get more information about that in the APA manual. So after I add the date for this reference, I'm going to hit Save. And then you can see that I have successfully added the web reference to my RefWorks account.